लिखूं, you also grab the question and try to do it. Okay, so let me write the next question. Fz is equal to sine of sine z and about z naught is equal to 0. Okay, yes. So what will be the first term? F
F of Z naught
z naught, what will be that?
0.
0.
F dash z. So can anybody tell what will be the derivative?
Cos
Anybody?
of sine 0 into cos
It's
z.
a cos Z.
Cos of
Sine
Z.
of 0
Sin Z.
into
Sine
cos 0
cos of sine z
Cos Z.
into
Dot
cos
cos
Z.
Z.
into cos z. So f dash 0 will be,
1.
so you put
0.
0, so
0.
it will be 1.
Hmm.
0 0 कौन बोल रहा है?
Sir, yes.
हाँ यश, देखो साइन 0 क्या होगा?
0.
0 और cos 0 फिर क्या हो जाएगा?
1, sir.
और यहाँ पे
1.
तो 1 into 1,
1.
first term I got. F double dash z. So you have
Sir,
two functions now. You have two functions now, correct? So first
Yes, sir.
function, derivative of second, minus sine z into cos z. First function, derivative of second, plus second function, derivative of first. देख लेना, correct है?
Yes, sir.
So what will be f double dash 0?
0, sir.
So 0.
0. So see, in such questions, two values b- two values will be enough from, you know, enough for the selection of correct option. Are you understanding my point? Like in some option, if first term is not 0, that you will immediately reject. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Second option, on the basis of this, one option will be rejected. It is like that. Third option, so one more option you require. Two terms are required to reach correct option. So what is f triple dash z? Tell me. What is f triple dash 0? Correctly tell me. Quickly calculate and tell me.
1. 1.
Sure. Anybody has done? Now this will be what actually? Uh, minus cos square z, na? Sine of sine z minus sine z cos of sine z. इसका डेरिवेटिव निकालो जरा. Take the derivative of this. And the value at 0.
So -2.
Sure.
Sir, -2.
So -2.
-2.
So what will be the series now? Fz is equal to fz0 plus z minus 0 to the power 1 over 1 factorial f dash 0, which is 1, plus z minus 0 square over 2 factorial into 0, correct? Plus z minus 0 cube over 3 factorial into -2 and plus dash dash dash. So ultimately, what is the series? Z minus 2 by 3. Tell me. Z cube. Is this correct?
Three factorial, sir.
Sorry?
3 factorial.
उतार रहे हो क्या देख देख के?
सर ऊपर वाला 2 नहीं आएगा फिर अगर 3 लिखना है तो।
ये 2 नहीं आएगा?
नहीं आएगा सर, 3 फैक्टोरियल होगा ना, 3 into 2, 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा।
तो ये सही नहीं लिखा है मैंने?
सर 1/3 आना चाहिए।
1/3 आएगा ना।
हाँ सॉरी, मैंने उसको कट कर दिया ना 2 को, तो 1/3 आ जाएगा. यस, करेक्ट, 1/3. So is this okay now?
यस सर।
So this is so new type of function you will get. Can you see that? New type of function you will get, जिसका थोड़ा डेरिवेटिव करने में प्रॉब्लम होगा. Not a very simple question. So this is also one of the previous year in किसी एग्जाम का है. So can I erase this?
No, sir.
Okay. You are not trying by yourself. अपने आप नहीं कोशिश कर रहे.
कर रहे हैं सर।
सर कर रहे हैं।
कर रहे हैं सर।
So addition, subtraction, integration and differentiation, इसी से मिलके पूरा कोर्स बना हुआ है. Okay. So जो जितनी जल्दी, as soon as you get command over all this, कि addition में कहीं plus minus mistake, don't do that. Properly integration, do integration, differentiation. Okay. So because in every topic these skills will be required. So if you are not good at this, try to revise the concepts. इसमें आपको लो फील करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Don't feel low. You can revise quickly that this is how integration is